Hey everybody, we went out to the Sandbar this past weekend and we have some great little pictures and footage for you, and I wanted to just give you a little taste of what it's like here on the weekends if you're lucky enough to have a boat and you can get out there. And I also wanted to let you know that you are all there with us in mind and in spirit, so even though you couldn't be there in body, 2 out of 3, that's pretty good. I hope you enjoy it. Where are we going? Where are we going, Kai?
To Sandbar.
Wow.
What are we going to do at the Sandbar?
Surf? Surf?
No.
Paddle?
No.
Dig holes?
Yeah.
The sun rubs my feet where I spend a lonely day. The wind brushes through my hair and the waves parade. My hand shields the sun. I dream out across the sea. The seagull is laughing and dancing in the wind. Its life is not easy, but seems so pleasant still. It spreads out its wings and hovers above the sea. The boat waiting on the beach knows it's out of place when it smells the ocean and dreams of all the waves. The brave in this world, they swim out towards the sea. Yes, the brave in this world, they swim out towards the sea.